Tips to help you become a successful affiliate marketer. Develop a rapport. When beginning your affiliate marketing career, you'll want to cultivate an audience that has very specific interests. This allows you to tailor your affiliate campaigns to that niche, increasing the likelihood that you'll convert. By establishing yourself as an expert in one area instead of promoting a large array of products, you'll be able to market to the people most likely to buy the product. Make it personal. There is no shortage of products you'll be able to promote. You'll have the ability to pick and choose products that you personally believe in, so make sure that your campaigns center around truly valuable products that consumers will enjoy. You'll achieve an impressive conversion rate while simultaneously establishing the reliability of your personal brand. You'll also want to get really good at email outreach to work with other bloggers and influencers. Use a tool like Contact or Voila Norbert to gather people's contact information and send personalized emails to garner guest blogging and affiliate opportunities. Start reviewing products and services. Focus on reviewing products and services that fall within your niche. Then, leveraging the rapport you have created with your audience and your stance as an expert, tell your readers why they would benefit from purchasing the product or service you are promoting. Almost anything sold online can be reviewed. If there is an affiliate program, you can review physical products, digital software, or even services booked online, like ride sharing or travel resort booking. It is especially effective to compare this product to others in the same category. Most importantly, make sure you are generating detailed, articulate content to improve conversions. Use several sources. Instead of focusing on just an email campaign, also spend time making money with a blog, reaching out to your audience on social media, and even looking into cross-channel promotions. Test a variety of marketing strategies to see which one your audience responds to the most. Make frequent use of this technique. For more information, you can check out this article on how to start a successful blog this year. Choose campaigns with care. No matter how good your marketing skills are, you'll make less money on a bad product than you will on a valuable one. Take the time to study the demand for a product before promoting it. Make sure to research the seller with care before teaming up. Your time is worth a lot, and you want to be sure you're spending it on a product that is profitable and a seller you can believe in. Next video topic will be what are the top affiliate marketing trends of 2020? Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. Thanks for watching this video.